So here's how to clear Facebook activity all at once. So hi there guys, welcome back, and in this video I will show you exactly that. So let's get started. It's quite simple guys. So first of all you need to open up the Facebook. Alright, then from here you need to tap on the three dots on the right upper side. Then tap on the settings gear icon, which is actually, so you need to tap on the gear icon to go to the settings. Alright, then from here you need to scroll it down until you find the activity option. So here you see your activity, so you need to tap on activity log, and then it's very quite simple. Then as you can see we got your Facebook activity, so you need to tap on this little arrow icon which will brings up like these options. Alright, then again from the first side you'll see comments and reaction. You need to tap on this option, which is the arrow sign to brings up comments and likes and reactions. So for the first case, let's just go to the likes and reactions like this. Alright, then here you can a bunch of different posts that I have recently liked. So now if you want to delete all of these reactions, you can simply tap on the all, and then the all file will be selected, and just simply tap on the remove button to remove all of these at once. Alright, then again you can simply delete the comments at once by tapping on this comment section, and then again tap on all to select all the comments. Alright, and then again tap on remove. So that's how you can simply clear Facebook activity all at once. So hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and I will catch you guys in the next one.